Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Samsung A13. Before starting the video, if you're new to channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to enable a second WhatsApp, or you can say a dual WhatsApp or a clone WhatsApp in your device Samsung A13, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So you have to follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can download a second WhatsApp in your device. Let's watch the video.